The GR in the name stands for Gazoo Racing, Toyota Le Mans, and that WRC winning performance just finished 1-2 in the Monte Carlo round of World Rally returns. Gazoo has been experimenting with the Japan-only Toyota Supra and Yaris GR, which use a 268 HP 3-cylinder turbo. The C-HR GR Sport has a European 1.8-liter and 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain, just like the regular C-HR. The exterior features a black finish on the grille and some other front ends, a larger front spoiler and black door trim. This car uses 19-inch two-tone alloy wheels and has a slightly stiffer suspension, or 10% front, 15% rear. The cabin comes with a choice of Alcantara leather upholstery or all-fabric upholstery, both with GR-inspired red and gray stitching themes. There's also a perforated leather steering wheel, red stitching accents on the wheel rim and gear lever, and a unique scar plate model. Pricing for the new Toyota C-HR GR Sport starts at £31,395 for the entry-level 1.8-liter variant. The more powerful 2.0-liter model raises this figure to £33,015. The revamped C-HR has been designed by Toyota's in-house tuning company, Gazoo. It features a more aggressive body kit, with a deeper front splitter, a lower diffuser and some new black concrete doors. It also uses newly designed 19-inch alloy wheels, while getting dark LED headlights and a black spoiler for the tailgate. There's also some new black wheel arch cladding, a dark chrome radiator grille and some GR Sport badges scattered around the car's panels. The exterior makeover is rounded off with 8 two-tone paint options, each featuring a contrasting black roof. Toyota has made several adjustments, including stiffer springs and dampers, thicker anti-roll, and a revamping system, all of which, the company says, will help limit body roll and make the C-HR more attractive to drive. Although it looks sporty, the crossover engine lineup is obtained from the standard car. The 1.8-liter petrol unit produces 120 bhp, while the 2.0-liter version has 181 bhp, and the second engine will send drive to the front wheels via a CVT gearbox, returning a claimed fuel economy figure of over 50 mpg. The C-HR is run by a 2-liter i4 that produces 144 horsepower and 139 lb-ft of torque. Combined with a consistently variable transmission that pushes the i4 to under-speed drones, while it supports the C-HR Prediction EPA's gains in fuel economy ratings of 27 mpg metropolis, 31 mpg freeway, and 29 mpg combined.